How to change background in Opera GX. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the application. As you can see on the screen, there's an option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application. So all we have to do is just go back and then tap on the Opera GX application. Now as you land on the home page of Opera GX, all you have to do is tap on this icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you tap on it, tap on settings. Now as you tap on settings, here you can see the options over here. So just scroll down, and as you scroll down you can see the options over here. So just select on the light, auto or dark. You can select any of these options over here. Now what you can simply do is tap on any of these modes. I'm going to select on dark and then tap on wallpaper, and you can select any of these random pictures over here. I'm going to select on this one and then go back, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.